So whenever I'm on my periods, what I do is I start out by taking a shower in the evening time during the summers. As I'm done with my shower, I just go and plug in my hot water bag, and then I go ahead and make myself some ginger tea. I don't usually have tea every single day, but during the period time it's important that you have something hot. It will help you curing the cramps that you have. Also avoid caffeine and anything coffee related, it's just not good. After that, I just unplug my hot water bag because it's already hot, and I go and chill on the couch for a little while. So I go and sit on the sofa, and then I'm scrolling through my iPad. I'm basically learning like Spanish, so whenever I'm bored, I just go on the app and I start learning a few words or sentences. And my dog is also there, who was like wanted me to play with him, so I kind of played with him, and then I'm sipping my tea and just chilling for a little while. Super important that you do that during your period time. So everyone knows about using pads for periods, but did you know about menstrual cup? A lot of women just ridicule the idea of a menstrual cup, saying that it is not safe to use because it goes inside of your vagina. Well, in India, most pads give you rashes and it just irritates your skin, while menstrual cups are super safe to use. Today I'm going to be talking about the menstrual cup by Kamesi. As you all know that I have talked about Kamesi in the past and I love their products. I'm going to be showing you the steps for inserting and using the menstrual cup. Before using the cup, wash your hands and sterilize the cup by boiling it for minimum of 7 minutes. Once that is done, pat the cup dry and let it cool as you have just boiled it, so the cup will be hot to touch. Now there are many ways of folding the cup. Let me show you the easiest one, that is the C fold or the U fold. You can see it right here on the screen, as well as there are other ways like the 7 fold. Now to insert the cup, you just need to squat on the floor or on the toilet seat. You can see the pictures right over here. Now once that's done, the cup can stay inside of your vagina for 8 to 10 hours. It is super safe to use. After your cycle is over, boil the cup again and store it inside this pouch. And you can pee while wearing this cup. There's no such problem. You can do any activity or sports that you like, and it does not even affect your vaginal pH, so that's super cool. Now the reason that I like menstrual cup is that they are super environment friendly. One cup lasts for 10 years. Menstrual cup by Kamesi are made of 100% medical grade silicone. These menstrual cups are also very soft and flexible, so they are easy to insert and fold. Also, they are made in Europe rather than those cheap cups made in China. So they are of very high quality. So there's absolutely no reason that you shouldn't buy these cups. You just an investment, you take it, you buy it and insert it inside of your vagina. Super safe to use. Now I'll put the link to this cup in the description box below in case you feel like it is meant for you and you're comfortable using it. I'll try it out and share my experience in the future videos. You can also use my code samriddhi05 flashing here on the screen, and you can get a 20% off of this menstrual cup. Thank you so much, Kamesi, and let's move ahead with the video. After I'm done with that, I just have my dinner, and I have a really big dinner when I'm on my periods, because on the entire day I feel like eating nothing, I lose my appetite, so it's super important to have a good dinner. And I'm watching CID, so yeah, that's really weird. And then I do my skincare routine. So I just have this massager which I use to massage my face, especially during my period time. Your skin breaks out a lot, that's why you need to take care of your skin. And then I just sleep.